Electoral District of Mirrabooka. Mirrabooka is an electoral district of the Legislative Assembly in the Australian state of Western Australia. Geography. The district is based in the northern suburbs of Perth. It includes Alexander Heights, Balga, Koondoola, Mirrabooka, Westminster, and parts of Ballajura and Dianala. History. The district was created for the 2013 state election, essentially as a new name for the district of Nallamara. It was won by sitting Nallamara MP Janine Freeman. An earlier incarnation of the district existed from 1968 to 1974. First contested at the 1968 state election, it was won by Doug Cash of the Liberal Party. Cash was defeated one term later by Labour candidate Arthur Tonkin. Mirrabooka was abolished at the 1974 state election, and Tonkin went on to become member for the new seat of Morley. Members for Mirrabooka. Election results. References ==